Hello. Sorry. Hi everyone. I'm here now. How are you all this evening? Because I am doing great, getting ready for this thing that I'm doing. So, today I am going to be finishing the bit where it draws an enemy. Well, I'm going to be finishing. It's going to be able to work when you're looking at them from any angle, because at the moment it's only when you look in one direction. So you've got to fix that. Then, if we have time, I'll make it so the enemies are it will actually display the enemy facing a different direction depending on which direction they're facing, because currently it just will always draw them facing towards you. So I believe that means that it is time to begin. I think so. Hey. Hold on. Whoop. Oh shit, I messed up my camera. Hello, camera. There we go. It's working again. Don't break. Oh god, there's a bloody chain of clothespins that I left. Yeah. That's just a thing, don't worry about that. Now, hi. No, I'm almost just got distracted. But it is time for this. Woo, recursion. There's my camera. So, into the programming. Woohoo. Also, here is a fixed. Oh god. Here is a fixed enemy sprite in multiple ways. One, it actually works, it stays the same height. And two, currently it's just this fixed position. And it disappears when you turn. Hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. So we have got to fix the fixedness. And it's going to be cool. So we need to go to the main script. No, we don't. We go to the rendering file. And I put the music on. Because I'm an idiot. And forgot to start it earlier. Where is it? There we go. There you go, is that good? A little quieter, I think. Coolio. Now, actually getting on with something. Sorry. I get distracted way too easy. So here is this. So we dealt with this case 0, so we move on to case 1, which is when you are facing this way, where you can clearly see there is no enemy there. So what do? We find that it goes here, and I just realized this is just this, isn't it? It's just this with a slight change. You just change these to 45s instead of 90s. No, not 945. Is that it? I think so. So we should just be able to save that. I swear to God, if it's that simple. Run it. Okay, good, it's there. Not there, there we go, that's the problem. Phew, it's not easy. Why am I celebrating that? Okay, column 64. On what line? 439. Column 64 is this, okay. That's strange. Time for some checking things. Let's see, so this is apparently something that doesn't exist. So this is strange. Which block? 0? Oh, okay. I know the problem. This needs to be which block? This needs to be number 1, not 0, because it's not reading from the 90 degrees array anymore. Oh, please be this easy. I like it when it's this easy. Now, please work. That is saved, and Control F5. It's that simple. Woohoo. Hang on, is its height proper? I can't tell. Yeah, I think it is. Ooh. Right, sorry. This is my Discord server. Shameless promoting of it. Anyway, programming, not talking to my friends. I want to know. We work. Anyway. God, this is a long ass bit of code. Okay. So we just need this bit. Which I believe is independent of direction. Yeah, it is. So we just copy that. Did I already copy it? Yes, I did. Okay. So we go to case 2. And you know what? I'm going to be smart and just do everything. All of the even ones are just going to be filled in. Four. And 6. Yeah, now we do all the odd ones with the other bit. And hopefully this should be working. You should be able to spin around and always see things. This here. And the final one. Now the big reveal. Okay, good. It still works for the thing we knew worked before. Okay. Can't actually see it. Oh, it's still there. Oh, it's still there, okay. Okay, that's a little bit of a problem, but I know what the problem is, I think, and I can fix it. Works there. Okay, works there. And the final one, it works. Actually, no, that isn't a problem. It works, woohoo. Okay, it was that simple. Okay, cool. Well, on to the next bit. Look at that, it's always just there. But it is also always facing you, which can be a problem. Imp in the distance, so far away. You can just see its arm around the corner. That means it's working. I'm sorry, I don't know why I find it so funny to just watch this thing just walking on the spot for all eternity. But yeah, its height's definitely consistent. It's always up to the top of that higher pink bit. And now, actually working. Entities.js. Look at this little bit of fucking code. I actually separated each part of a function into lines and commented. I commented it. that's a big deal. I never comment my code to this degree. Although I do kind of have to, because this is a project for college, so like I have to do it all properly and stuff. But anyway, this is a problem. It shouldn't just be this variable, it should be comparing this variable to something else. So we've got to create a new variable specific to this function. I don't know, it's got to be the relative direction to the player. So I just rel dir. That's a great name for a variable. But we also have max hupkent, which means maximum height percent. Great little maths. Not confusing at all. Relative direction needs to equal. Why did I put brackets there? It's just going to be there you go, and then now we've got that. Then we just need to adjust it. Okay, that works. As I expected. Hang on, if it's the other way around. Okay, it's a little bit off, but it's also going the wrong way. Hang on. Actually, if we switch this back around. And then if there you go, that should work, right? Okay, okay, can't see it. Yes, yep. That was really easy. Look at it walking. Oh, I need to actually make it. I need to give it an AI at some point, I suppose. Also, I need to figure out what's up with that. There's a little bit there where it looks like part of its next frame is getting. What do you mean there's nothing on my recently opened? Let's see. Also, here's this. Oh no! It can't open GIFs. That is the saddest thing I've ever seen. Wait, no, we need the development version as well. Here it is. So it is for which direction? This one here. Don't draw a line on it, that's stupid. Okay, this. Okay. No, wrong thing. And that's also the wrong thing. There we go. Well, but now I just can't see it at all. I think it's just because that's so close. The way the image enlarges just kind of captures the edge of that a little. But look at it Go. Demon walking. What will it do? Okay, I wasn't expecting this to be so quick, and now I don't really know what to do. It's only been like 25 minutes. Also, here is my OBS setup for anyone who wants to know. It's a bloody mess. And my thumb hurts for some reason. I'll be honest, I'm putting off making UI if it's not obvious. Wait, no, there's something else I can do first. This apparently it's just if the variable for has an enemy is true, it will just draw this specific demo imp here, no matter what. So I need to fix that. So I don't think that variable needs to be there. Yeah. See, it's just drawing this thing. Well, that's slightly outdated because it's still got the holes in its face. Anyway, I'm going to stop looking at that before it hurts someone's eyes. Yeah, as I was saying, it's just drawing that no matter what, so we need it to... Ooh, we also don't have, like, any different enemies, so you know what? I have a stupid way of making a new enemy. Effect, color. That's not the right thing. How do I just... Oh, I just want to make everything a little bit green. Okay, all the way green. No, too much. Cyan imp. No, we're just gonna make a green version of the texture. Just green. There we go. Now we have two unique enemies. Hold on, I hear something. I'm back. Oh, bleh. Ouch. Back to gaming. Except it's not gaming, it's just making a game. God, I forgot there was still that. There we go. Now, in sprite sheet and green imp sprite sheet. And then new enemy. I don't remember what these. Oh, they're just. Oh, okay. Those first two are the X and Y coordinates for where it would be in the world. I don't think they need to be part of its instantiation because they'd be set during level loading. But you're not screwed, they're there. This one can be at, so if that's 11, 11, 11, 10, 11, 10, 10. No, this can be at 8, 8. There you go. And this is its height. You know what? Do you want to make I'm going to make a slightly shorter imp. There we go. Take that. And in the rendering in the block. Wait, which one gets loaded first? Oh, preload everything. Wait, no. Okay, okay. And then when it's created, when the level is created, has enemy is true. Those two also need to have an actual enemy put in them now as well. Is that what I called it? Yeah, okay. Wait, what's I call it? Oh, it's just demoing, but okay. And eight, 8. Hang on, where there's a little thing here that I need to copy, it needs to be. This is a little thing that, actually, because each, I don't know, I need to explain that, but that bit might be relevant later. Okay, so since that's working, This also needs to, lost it, it's in here, this, and now all of these, this bit, wait no, it's not that bit, it's just this, if has enemy equals true, or if it is this, then it needs to be need to change it to being specifically the enemy in this one that it's running the code on. So we just do that. I'm not going to minimize each one. I don't need to. There. Then here. I lost it. There we go. Last two. Here. There. And save that. Ready? Oh, no, it broke. Okay. Okay. I spelt a file name. Yeah, green is spelt with an N, not an M. There is still a problem, it's... Wait, where? Oh. Hello. What I'm doing here is something that I will show you once I've fixed these couple bugs. There we go. This is a game, well, going to be a game that has movement. It's a, I'm calling it a 2.5D FPS, because this is all just 2D, just rectangles and stuff drawn to make it look like it's 3D. And at the moment I'm just getting these enemies working. So we have one here, actually if we stand in the same space as it, you can see I've just now, a couple minutes ago, got it to turn around all the way. Or well, it tracks to be able to look in any direction. And here we have a green one who's a little shorter. Pet, we like the cute short one. Looks really good actually. Well, thank you. This is currently just a messy demo level filled with random parts that I was testing. But yeah, I suppose it does have the capability to look good because every, what are they called? Every quadrilateral that you could possibly put on the screen here can be changed. And we have these guys, and I'm currently finding reasons to put off making not the UI, the AI for them. Because I know nothing about making AI. Now, how do I... Where? I don't know where their direction is stored at all, or how to change it. I don't remember where that is. Yep, imagine using an actual game engine. Couldn't be me. Only because this is also this is something I'm doing for my my A-level computer science course, and we have to use this specific what's it called? We have to specifically use JavaScript and the software for it. But you know, I'm working with it. I made this in Python, which is most people's least favourite language, so you know, I kind of know what I'm doing. But also I just like, most of the time I do things the most awkward way possible out of spite anyway. And now, okay, we'll be in this one. Enemy. Oh, its direction is just like a fixed thing at the moment. Okay. Well, let's say... let's just put a little thing in the main game loop to just say that that green one is just going to be constantly spinning around in a circle. So that would be... and oh no, now the grand reveal. Does it work? Does them displaying in the right way work? I think it does. Look at that boy spinning. And if I spin at the same speed, it's just constantly staring at me. Ah, I missed it. Look at it, it goes spin. This is why I get nothing done, because I just make stupid spinning enemies. This isn't funny, stop laughing at it, Baguette. Okay. Yes, no, I'm here to make content and make a game. What do we do now? Well, we take this thing, delete it from there, and make it a method of the class. What's it called? Turn right. We do first. Turning right is adding to your rotation. Okay. And then if it turns around too far, number gets too big, it just... You want to say something about the program, but I don't want to say anything because I know nothing about coding. Well, by all means, say things. I find the best advice usually comes from people who don't know what they're talking about, which is why I like giving people advice. But please go ahead and say things. It's great when people talk in chat, I think. This direction. Just a failsafe in case it gets too high. And then turn left. And now, sadly, we no longer have... How are you still spinning? Oh, because I didn't save the change in this file. Okay. Okay, fine, you can keep spinning. You good to go? Okay, bye. Missing you, I guess. What? Hang on, I just realized something. That direction is 0. If this thing's direction is 0, it should be facing the other way. Because I got the sprite sheet in the wrong order. Okay, that makes sense. Well then, these need to be basically rotated around. First of all, I will just copy this, because this is for some reason better than the development version. Basically, this is for direction 5. Just add that there, and then we move this down. Oh, that's gone off the page. Actually, that whole thing's off the page, apparently. God, this is going to be a tedious process. Okay, that. Then we move everyone down again. That needs to be removed, that shouldn't be selected. Although that should be. Oh my fucking god. Why can I not aim? Can you move it down a row? You get moved up one. Well, no, you get moved all the way up to the top, actually. Hold on. Oh, these two need to be switched around. I have a better idea than everything that I've done before here. Just wait. Control V. Ah, balls. Okay. Copy this one again. Reset that. We can just take this entire bit and move it over somewhere. then put it back here in the right order. And we just move this. Oh, that's not the right key. There we go, and then we just have the bottom 4 get moved up to the top. Oh, I'm on that mode, okay. That gets moved all the way up here. Now everything's moved around and in the right order. That's a lie, I've missed half of it. No idea why I said that. Also, half of this guy's arm is missing and I really need to fix that. Now you get moved over and over and over and down. We also need to do this to the green ones, which is not a problem because I have a shortcut. We just do this and make them green again. There we go, save that. Now rerun the code, and they're in the right direction. And now I can't count because it should have been 4 there. There we go. Imp standoff. Little green imp versus big red imp. I'm going to make the little one less little by giving it 50 extra pixels of height. Look at him. I have no idea what I'm doing here anymore. But I'm just proud that I made something that looks decent. How long have I been doing this for? 55 minutes. How has it been that long? Bloop, 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 bloop. Well then. Oh, I know. I can make all of their movement functions quite easily. Okay. I just need to take a drink quickly, so I will be going bloop and mute, and I just realised the music stopped. Some new music. Every time I go to this scene, I'm really tempted to just stop the stream, and I don't know why. I think I just find it funny. Anyway, back to this. We need move north. Let's start with. I hate it when my fingers don't click when I try to make them click. So we need first evaluate if it can move north. Okay, if what am I looking for? Current map this.y, this.x. Yeah, the y and x have to be the other way around because each row, because of how it's a two-dimensional array, so that's why it's ordered. The y-axis has to come first to define which row you're on, then it does the thing inside. So current map thingy dot solid north equals 0, double equals 0, my goodness, and this dot y -1, this dot x dot solid south equals 0, then it's good to move. It can set the current map dot has enemy to no, and moves this up one. Oh no, moves it -1 on the y-axis. Then, oh, hold on. Need to specify which thing it's changing, and then it updates the new one. One, and it needs to update the actual enemy in there to be a clone of the enemy that's being moved. Please tell me I can just do equals this. And then we just have something to move that one north. It's just demo imp for now. Demo imp dot move north. So now that one specific enemy should just float off north. We made the moonwalking demon, and it's not going through the wall. That's what I call a win. Now we just got to do that 7 more times for every other direction. Look at a little demon over there. Imagine being short. I think it might actually be shorter than the player. I don't know exactly what the player's height is meant to be. Okay, next one. And yeah, we'll fix the problem of them just moonwalking at some point. As I said, I'm putting off making AI. Ooh, and here's a difficult decision. Do we want them to be able to move at diagonals? I think we do. Oh, that's a big thing that I'm just going to hide. Wait, that's just the map. Yeah, you could totally make them move at the diagonals. We can do it for the player. We can just run the same checks and oh, that's just slid off to the side. Hey. It's okay, you can chill in the corner. Okay, I guess you hit the 1 hour quota for their stream. Me. God. So I swear every stream I just slowly lose my sanity the longer I'm not talking directly with someone. If there's anyone there, please say something and stop me from going insane. But I also don't want to stop because then my productivity is going to stop as well. Or I could stop and edit those other VODs I need to get done. What am I doing? I'm just thinking out loud in front of probably nobody, I think. Hold on just a second. Okay, we'll keep going a little longer, probably just finish up these functions at least. Only 6 more of them. Maybe more. Actually no, there's no way there's going to be more. Why are there 3 spaces there? Sorry, responding to Discord messages. Not priority. Pressing wrong button. Okay, this needs to be... Check this one's south and the next one's north. Oh, and I need to change the... That cannot be the same name because it's not the same thing. And then we'll just break it. And then move west. Delete. So this one's west. No, solid east. So, now I think we just get it so every turn it just, or every frame, sorry, it just tries to move a random direction. But I haven't initialized a variable for this. Let's just make a test random. Sure, because the variable I need a lot for just testing random things. Equals math.floor that random 0 and 4 1 0 1 2 3. Yep, I can count. I know how many numbers that is. Then yeah, we're putting this on one line. Ooh, that's zooming in. All buttons and now this is what we call definitely intelligent. Oh, it just straight up deleted the green one. That's a problem. Demon on the move. Where is it going? Oh. But oh, it's there. Oh, where is it going? Ooh, ooh. And I've lost it. Please tell me. Oh, it managed to get around here. Please tell me it didn't accidentally like glitch through a wall or something. Also kind of ominous because I haven't given it any way of turning yet. And I've lost it. Great. Oh, you know what? This works. What we say is good enough. So I think that is a reasonable amount of progress for today. I will be back someday, probably Thursday. So, thank you for being here, if you're here, or if you were here at all. Thank you again, as I said. Please follow if you haven't already. Go subscribe to my YouTube where I post dumb shit, like stream highlights, because there's, as you can see, there's very little to highlight here. Anyway, yeah, and join my Discord if you want to interact with the community. Bye. Ooh, can't do the E, that's not good. Bye, see you around.